And lastly, this is the cafeteria.
Nice. Who are they?
Those are the colons. There's hydrochloric acid. He goes by Jasper. Next to him is nitric acid, as known as Alice. Then there's sulfuric acid, who goes by Emmett. Next to him is hydrobromic acid, and she goes by Rosalie. And finally, there's hydroiodic acid, but he prefers Edward.
They're all so beautiful. How?
I don't know, but Edward is totally checking you out. Oh my god. Bella, watch out!
Edward, how did you stop that truck?
It's not a big deal. We are all buffers. We are just solutions that can resist change, like a pH when acids and bases are added. We neutralize them, keeping the pH relatively stable, just like I did when the area of the truck came.
Okay, that makes sense. But your skin burned me. What was that?
I have to go. Lots of homework. Bye, Isabella.
It's just Bella.
Have a good night, Bella.
So, why is everyone but the Collins here?
I heard about like
Collins in our tribe don't get
I didn't
along.
watch it until
Why
now.
not? Well, the tribe is pH and the Cullens are POH. We both donate
So
the
good.
negative log of concentration of hydrogen and hydroxide ions. A high pH means the solution is basic. That's what our territory is. And a high POH means the solution is acidic. We were never around each other.
Oh.
Alright then. Well, legend has it that it's been this way since the Europeans came to America and invaded our land, but that's up to you to believe.
Right there.
Edward, I know what you are.
Say it.
You're an acid. When I'm around you, I get a prickling or burning feeling on my skin. Touching you is extremely dangerous, which explains why you try so hard to avoid me. When you're around metals, you start to sparkle or bubble in a way. In chemistry, you touch that litmus paper and it turned red. The signs are all there. I just needed to put two and two together.
I'm dangerous, Bella.
I don't care. I want to be with you. Jacob, who are those people? Bella, there's something I have to tell you. I'm a base. I'm a weak base, though. My real name is trimethyl ammonia. This is my tribe. We're all bases. What's a base? We have a bitter taste. We feel slippery. We touch a litmus paper, it turns blue. So that's why you and the Collins don't get along. You're opposites. Yes, some of us are strong bases, but others are weak. The weak ones are Seth, who is ammonia, Leah, who is pyridine, and me. The rest are strong. They've been printed and found their soulmates. There's my dad, Billy, who is lithium hydroxide, and Sam, who is sodium hydroxide. Paul is potassium hydroxide. Jared is rubidium hydroxide. Colin is calcium hydroxide. Quillanette is strontium hydroxide. Brady is barium hydroxide. And finally, Embry is cesium hydroxide. Wow, your house is so beautiful.
Thanks. Would you like a tour?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
This is my kitchen. But don't worry, there's plenty of acids and bases. Dishwasher detergent has a pH of 12. Hand soap has a pH of 6. Coffee has a pH of 5. Baking soda has a pH of 8. Salt has a pH of 6. Vinegar has a pH of 3. Lemon juice has a pH of 2. Yogurt has a pH of 5. Laundry detergent has a pH of 11.5. And bleach has a pH of 9.
Wow, I had no idea that there were so many common household items around me that were acids and bases. Everything is different now.
And finally, here's my family tree.
That looks pretty complicated. Can you explain it?
Yeah, well, we made it in the form of a Bromstead-Lowry diagram. My father loves chemistry. In the diagram, an acid is a donor of a hydrogen ion. The parents are these donors. The base accepts the donated hydrogen ion, which he put as the children. It's cheesy, I know.
I think it's amazing. What are your parents' real names then?
Carlisle's real name is perchloric acid, and Esmier's real name is chloric acid. They're both strong acids.
Bella, can I talk to you for a minute?
Yeah.
Bella, not all acids are like us. We are strong ones, but there are weak ones. We are strong because we have ionized completely. The difference between us and the weak is that they've only partially ionized. Their pH ranges from 3 to 5. Ours is 1.
And do you not like them?
They are the bad kinds of acids. They think they're superior to all. We avoid them as much as possible.
Oh.
I made this diagram to explain acid-base reactions. It's an Arrhenius model. Arrhenius acids form hydrogen ions, and aqueous solution with Arrhenius bases forming hydroxide ions.
So, is Jacob's tribe Arrhenius bases?
Yes, I didn't know you know Jacob.
His family is close to my family. What are we doing here?
We're gonna play baseball.
But it's about to start storming.
Well, this happens in Venus, but we still love to play because it's just cool to think about. So around Venus, there's a thick cloud layer. In this layer, there are tiny droplets of sulfuric acid. The droplets can be highly electrically charged, which offers the potential for lightning. This is important because it helps us understand how all terrestrial planets can electrify and then discharge.
Oh no, someone's coming.
Edward, get her out of here quick.
It's too late, they're here.
Bella, get behind me.
Who is it?
The weak acids.
Do you have room for 3 more to play?
Yeah, actually, we were just leaving.
Bella, let's go.
She's a human!
She's just a friend. We're leaving now.
She smells delicious.
Bella, let's go now. Wow, you look beautiful tonight.
Thank you. Oh, it's so beautiful here.
It all looks so magical.
These flowers are such vibrant colors.
I wonder what makes them look like this.
Well, I've been doing a lot of research on acids and bases lately, and I found out that there are natural chemicals in nature that are indicators on whether or not they're acids or bases. And the chemical is called anthocyanin. Depending on the pH, the colors of the flowers will be different, and that's all due to anthocyanin.
Wow, that's amazing. I didn't know that.
Yeah, let's dance.
Okay.
This is the most acids and bases I've ever seen all at once.
Yes, everyone is here. It's the strong acids and bases and weak bases against the weak acids.
What are the names of the weak acids?
There's Victoria, also known as the formic acid, and James, who is the acetic acid, and then there's Laurent, who is trichloric acetic acid, and there's Aro, who is hydrofluoric acid, and lastly, there's Marcus, who is hydrocenic acid.
Finally. Bella, watch out!
Nature that are
Damn it.
I get it burnt.
Wait, what? You're counting up?
Yeah.
Baby,